Slide the bottom cover latch to the unlocked position, and then remove the bottom cover. Remove the one retaining screw on the bottom of the system. Turn the system over and open the cover. Gently push the keyboard towards the rear of the system to detach it from the keyboard bezel. Lift the keyboard and then detach the keyboard connectors. Attach the keyboard connectors. Attach the keyboard so that the front edge of the keyboard is under the keyboard bezel. Gently press the keyboard until it snaps into position. Turn the system over and install the single retaining screw. Align the tabs on the bottom cover with the system base. Press firmly along the edges to secure the cover in place.